Okay students, let us find the solution of an integral which is given as dx upon 1 plus x square into under root of 1 minus x square dx. Students, if we compare this integral with our standard form of integration, which is some special irrational algebraic functions, okay, then we get there is a two expressions. First one is quadratic expression in x, and the second one which is present in radicand sign, which is also a quadratic expression. That is pure quadratic expression, that is in the form of ax square plus b, and second one is cx square plus d, means x term is absent. There are three terms in quadratic expression: x square term, x term, constant term. Here we have pure quadratic expression, that is ax square plus b, and second one is cx square plus d. The middle term, that is x term, is absent here, okay, known as pure quadratic expression. So how we can find the integration of such type of integration where there are two quadratic expression are present in denominator of a fraction? Okay, students, we know that in this type of integral we have to follow our case 4 of this type of integration. Okay, here we have to substitute x is equal to 1 by t. X is equal to 1 by t. Okay, so since x is equal to 1 by t, then dx is equal to minus 1 upon t square dt. Clear? Let us change the variable, that is dx is equal to minus 1 upon t square dt, whole dividing by 1 plus t square. X means 1 upon t, and x square is equal to 1 upon t square under root of 1 minus 1 upon t square dt. Clear? Dx is equivalent to minus 1 upon t square dt, and 1 plus 1 x square. X means 1 by t, so x square is 1 upon t square under root of 1 minus x square. X is 1 by t, then x square is equal to 1 upon t square. Okay, let us simplify this. We get 1 upon t square dt upon 1 upon 1. After cross multiplication, we get t square plus 1 upon t square into, this one is outside of the radicand. Here we get under root of t square minus 1 upon t square. Clear? Any problem? Okay, cross multiplication, t square into 1 t square plus 1 upon t square minus 1 upon t square. Okay, so this is equal to minus 1 upon t square dt whole divided by, देखो t square 1 minute, t square plus 1 upon t square and under root of t square minus 1 upon t. Square root of t square is t. Okay, then t square and t square get cancelled. We have dt upon and 1 upon 1 upon t, that is t. 1 upon 1 upon t. 1 upon 1 upon t is equal to t. Okay, so t dt upon t square plus 1 under root of t square minus 1 dt. Okay, students, in numerator there is a function of that is algebraic function t and dt, and in denominator we have t square minus 1, t square plus 1. If we substitute t square is equal to 1, then we can change dt in another form. That is, if we assume t square is equal to p, let t square is equal to p, taking derivative, that is 2t dt is equal to dp, and since there is no any 2, okay, then we have to find t dt is equal to 1 upon 2 dp. T dt is equal to 1 upon 2 dp. Okay, so this is equal to, in finally, minus 1 by 2 t dt is equal to dp upon t square plus 1, that is p plus 1, p plus 1 under root of t square minus 1, t square minus 1, t square is equal to p, this one is equal to p minus 1. Okay, so we have minus 1 by 2 dp upon p plus 1 under root of p minus 1. Now this stage is matching with our case first. In case first, for this some special irrational algebraic function, which was our there are two expressions, both are linear expression. Here p plus 1 is our linear expression, p minus 1 is also a linear expression. So this is matching, this is following our case first. Okay, in case first you always assuming p minus 1 is equal to let theta square. Okay, theta square, then dp is equal to 2 theta d theta. Okay, clear? So this one is equal to minus 1 by 2 dp is equal to 2 theta d theta upon p plus 1. Here p is equal to theta square plus 1. Clear na? P is equal to theta square plus 1, theta square p plus 1, p is equal to theta square plus 1 plus 1, that is theta square plus 2, and q is equal to p minus 1 is equal to theta square. This one is equal to minus 1 by 2 and 2 get cancelled. We have minus theta d theta upon theta square plus root 2 to the whole square into theta. Clear na? Theta square is theta, under root theta square is theta, and theta get cancelled. We have minus 1 upon theta square plus root 2 square d theta. Okay, so we have to use our some special integral. Okay, using our some special integral for integration formula, this one is equal to minus 1 upon theta square plus x square, that is 1 upon x square plus a square is 1 upon a. 1 upon a means under root 2 tan inverse of x upon a. X means theta. Theta upon a means root 2 plus c. This one is equal to minus 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of theta. What is theta? Theta means theta is equal to under root of p minus 1 upon root 2. Root 2 plus c. सही ना? Theta is equal to under root of p minus 1 and root 2. And this is equal to minus 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of under root of p. What is p? P is t square. T square minus 1 upon under root 2 plus c. This is equal to minus 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of under root of t square. T square is यहाँ से t square is equal to 1 upon x square. Okay ना भाई, x is equal to 1 upon t, then t square is equal to 1 by x, t square is 1 upon x square. Here 1 upon x square minus 1 upon 2 plus c root 2 2. This is equal to minus 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of under root of 1 minus x square upon 2x square plus c. Okay, you can write it as minus 1 upon root 2 tan inverse of under root of 1 minus x square upon x under root 2 plus c. Okay, this one is your final answer of this type of integration. Students, any doubt, please make a note. Okay.